We finally got some halfway decent weather, and I got my John Deere down here, got it warmed up. I'm gonna start cleaning up this fence row here, and I'm not gonna get it all done today. We're gonna start basically right here and go all the way down to the corner right there. So that's my plan today. And for a little while, I got an hour or so here. Got some time to do. So I'm gonna go down that far end and work my way back this way to start with, because my little pro tip here on your tractor over here is the exhaust is on that side, so I'm gonna put it away from the branches. And I have bent that thing pretty bad a time or two, so I'm going to somebody at the driveway. I wonder who that is. Anyway, getting sidetracked. So my plan is the bush hog gets back as far as I can, and then I'm gonna bring my post saw down here and start cleaning this out. It's really bad from here on down. These old cedar trees and stuff. See these old cedar trees right through there. Anyway, I'm gonna get that bush hog back as far as I can, and then not today, but I'm gonna take my post saw, come down there and chop some of that stuff up. From then on, I can get over there and mow. I cleaned out all of my fence rows a couple years ago. I borrowed a bobcat from a friend, and they're all pretty good up through here, and I could not get to this spot with a bobcat because of them old stupid cedar trees. So I thought actually about cutting them down, but I don't know who's gonna buy that place over there, and kind of gives a little scream. So anyway, I'm gonna start down there and work my way up here, and then we'll have to back in and out, in and out, in and out. And that's gonna be a good place where I'd had the TYM, but I just don't want to swap that out now. So, all right, let's get this thing fired up, and we'll start down on the other end and work our way back. Don't know if this is showing up or not, but right here is where I planted my new overseed that I did the other day, a couple weeks ago. And right here, I didn't do anything from here over because I knew I was going to clean this out. But if you can tell, you can see the line. This over here looks old, and let me move the camera a little bit. This over here looks dull and kind of dead. And over on this side, see how green that looks? This is all new growth here. There's like I don't know, probably 50 feet or so over that way in the whole length of this. And it really looks good. It's got a little, this right here looks a lot better than the garden. And that over there looks really good. So hopefully we'll have some good hay over here at least. Like I said in the other video, that middle section, the first one we did didn't do very good. So this over here did all right though. All right, let's go over here. I want to show you something real quick. I don't know if it showed up when I was bush hogging up through here, but I caught a big old vine. See it hanging down right here. Right there it is. And pulled part of it out. Oh, cow. So, it's huge, y'all. Old Tarzan can swing on this side. Yeah, it broke it. I want to try. Looks like there's another one over there too. I don't have no rope down here. I'll try to tie it to the front of my bucket or wind it around there somehow and try to pull that thing out. Let's see if we can get that done. Them old things were humongously long. It went from, let's see, went from here all the way down past where the tractor is. Well, how long it is exactly? Probably, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 feet long at least. So I had two of them in there. Well, oh, I see another one in there. Well, I have to get it out. What my plan to be working on vines, but let's see what time it is. I gotta go do my chores. I got a lot of this done though. It's looking better. I gotta cut down this tree and I gotta trim some up before I even get in there really good. So I got it where I can get in there and do a little trimming right now. I gotta cut down that tree. I don't even know if that's a tree. It's like a scrub. And I got one down there I need to cut. I can start working my way up here on these limbs. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good progress in just about an hour. So that's all the time I had. Now I gotta do my chores and get some firewood, a little bit of firewood brought up. I gotta do a bunch of firewood tomorrow. I gotta get that loaded back up, my rack on the porch up there. I gotta get it done, loaded back up. I gotta go get some more kindling too. I could do that this evening. Go buy a few things and make it tomorrow. All right, there we go. A little bush hogging, a little fence row cleaning. I'll come back with my post saw and I'll show you that. And I'm gonna get that about this time of year. You don't have to do it all at once, because if it's during summer or whatever, it can grow back before I got back to it. So hopefully I can get back to it. Let's see. I got a lot of church stuff going on. I was there all day today. I gotta go back tomorrow. I got Saturday, I gotta go down. You're watching this on Friday and I'm filming a day ahead. So this is Thursday in real life. So I had to go down there all morning for the church. I think I gotta go back down there tomorrow. Saturday we're having a meeting down there. Then of course I gotta go to regular church Sunday. And I gotta go to Chattanooga Wednesday. So I might get back on it first next week. Or maybe even Saturday morning. Depends how it goes. I'm still a little bit under the weather. I got like a cold or something, but that's all right, nobody cares. All right, so I didn't make a lick on it. I had to get those vines out there anyway, so at least you got, I hope I got some good video on that. I don't, when you're fearing by yourself, sometimes you don't know. So anyway, all right. Sports Local Farmer, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Sports Local Farmer again. I'll see you down here on the farm tomorrow.